My name is Soumya. I contacted Elegant for a renovation work of my kitchen. So my kitchen is actually 20 years old. So I wanted Elegant to work on giving me a new design for my kitchen, modern new design for a kitchen. So Elegant helped me a lot in visualizing what I wanted and helped me design my kitchen as per my requirement. So it was a very good service. So initially, there were people who actually came and spoke to me as to what I needed. Then they gave me designs to review. And once the design was approved, within a very short duration, they implemented and gave me, because this was the kitchen was very much required for me in a very small duration. So they completed the work in 1 month and gave me the kitchen back. And the service was very good, though the distance was very far. Vibin, who was actually interacting, made sure that he came and attended every time on what is required and got the work completed in a record time of almost within a month. 20 plus days he completed. So the quality also has been very good. So as of today, I see that I have no issues and it is all very good. And whoever comes to my house also has been appreciating the work and the quality and that has been done by Elegant Interiors.